What's up DJs and music lovers? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are breaking down the top 5 best DJ controllers of 2025. Whether you're just starting out or already rocking the club scene, I've got picks for every level and every budget. Make sure to stick around until the end because number 5 is a true game changer for beginners and pros alike. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Number 1. Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX4 Deck Serato DJ Controller, large jog wheels with onboard displays, effects paddles, built-in audio interface. This controller is all about performance for the price. The jog wheel displays give you essential info like BPM, track position, and time, which is perfect for DJs who don't want to keep staring at a laptop. The FX paddles make adding effects super intuitive, almost like a pro club mixer. Pros: affordable and feature-rich jog wheel displays, 4-deck mixing, built-in audio interface. Cons: plastic build feels less premium, best used with Serato limited mapping for other software. Ideal for intermediate DJs who want professional-level features at a budget-friendly price. Number 2. Pioneer DJ AlphaTheta DDJ-REV1 4-channel professional controller, designed for club standard performance. Pioneer's AlphaTheta series is built for serious DJs. The DDJ-REV1 gives you everything you'd expect from a club standard controller. Tight jog wheels, responsive performance pads, and seamless recordbox Serato compatibility. It's built tough and feels just like the gear you'll find in pro DJ booths. Pros: 4 channels, pro-level layout, club-style performance, excellent build quality. Cons: on the pricier side, might be overwhelming for beginners. Perfect for serious DJs or performers who want a home or gig setup that mirrors club equipment. Number 3. Hercules DJControl Inpulse 500 2-deck USB controller, comes with Serato DJ Lite and DJ UCD software, designed for learning and live performance. Hercules has built this controller for beginners who want to grow fast. It has unique training features like beat match guides, tempo assistance, and built-in tutorials, making it one of the easiest ways to learn jing. But don't let that fool you, it's also performance-ready with solid jog wheels and durable build. Pros: great for beginners, built-in learning tools, affordable price, software included. Cons: only 2 decks, smaller size compared to pro gear, best for new DJs who want to learn quickly without sacrificing performance potential. Number 4. Pioneer DJ DDJ-REV1 2-deck Serato DJ controller, battle-style layout, designed for scratching and performance mixing. The DDJ-REV1 is tailored for turntablists and scratch DJs. Its battle-style layout mimics traditional turntable setups with enlarged jog wheels and dedicated performance pads. The integration with Serato makes it a great pick for those who love scratching, sampling, and creative mixing. Pros: battle-style design, large jog wheels, affordable entry point for scratch DJs. Cons: limited to 2 decks, more focused on scratch DJs than general mixing. A solid choice for scratch DJs and battle mixers who want to learn turntablism without investing in vinyl setups. Number 5. Pioneer DJ DDJ-FLX4 2-deck controller for recordbox and Serato DJ, sleek graphite design, simple yet powerful. The DDJ-FLX4 is an all-rounder. It's lightweight, compact, and works with both recordbox and Serato, giving you flexibility. The build is sleek, and the layout is intuitive, making it great for both new DJs and experienced performers who want a portable setup. Pros: works with both recordbox and Serato, portable and lightweight, sleek design, beginner-friendly. Cons: only 2 channels, lacks some advanced pro features. A fantastic choice for beginners or mobile DJs who want a simple, portable controller that still delivers solid performance. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best DJ controllers of 2025. If you're on a budget but want pro features, go for the Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX. For a true club-ready setup, the Pioneer AlphaTheta DDJ-REV1 is unbeatable. Beginners should check out the Hercules Inpulse 500, while scratch DJs will love the DDJ-REV1. And if you need an all-rounder, the DDJ-FLX4 is the perfect balance.